Are you tired because you want to create something unique, but you just can't? Let's fix it. Start with the simple key melody. Add half-time and sharper box effect. Add synth. Add flute phrases from my kit hustle. Render it and open in new SliceX channel, then use this pattern. Render it again and click reverse. Add dark key. Add guitar and the sample is done. New drum kit hustle out now. Hard drums, clean one-shots, all custom sounds. Perfect for any music style. Grab it on my Patreon, link in bio. Drums. Hi-hat. Claps, snare, perks, rim. First open hat, second open hat. Snare number 2. 808 number 1. .808 number 2, 808 number 3, and the drums is done. Here is final loop with drums.
Ice gear.